Hi everyone. So this is Srishti, and today you'll be having a live session with me. Hi Riddhi. So I'm waiting for Riddhi to join me. Hi, I'm good. Hi Prashant. Yeah, I can see that. So I'm waiting for the questions. Oh, let me first introduce myself. I'm Srishti and I'm an actress. I recently did my short film Zindagi Anmol Hai. So now I'll be answering your questions, Riddhi. Quarantine is going very good. In fact, I don't get much time with my mom because she's working. She's a designer, so she's not at home. She's very like I get very few time with her. So right now I'm having great time with her and I'm enjoying my quarantine. And yeah, it was my debut, Zindagi Anmol Hai, and I worked as a lead actress in that. Recently, I received awards also, and I have been nominated in Dada Saheb Phalke as well. My birthday is on 2nd January. It's not on September 14th. Hello Aditya ji, how are you? Haven't watched yet. I'm so sorry, but yeah, I'll be definitely, I'll watch it. Suggest some movies. I'm not into Malayalam movies much. So where is Riddhi? Riddhi, I'm waiting for the next question. What you guys are doing in your quarantine time? Or anything else? What would you like to ask? Recently, I received an award for Geo Film Festival, which was from Jodhpur. It was basically Jodhpur Film Festival. I have been nominated in Panjim Film Festival, which is from Goa. I've been nominated in Dada Sai Phalke Award. All the awards they are in lined up because of lockdown. They have been delayed. My best friend from industry, they all are my friends. Like, they all are very sweet to me. We have a great bonding. But if you talk personally, I'm close to Avneet, Reem, and Ashnoor. Like, they are my best friends. I know if I need them, they'll be there for me. Yeah, everyone is doing that. In fact, I have been, hearing such stories that people are working double from home. They're getting work pressure is more at home. In Mumbai, it is not raining yet. But yeah, once it will start, then it will not stop. You can ask me questions. Where are you guys from? Hi Satbir, hi Anand. So, how is your quarantine going? What are you doing to maintain yourself? Trust me, I'm having lot of food. I was into gymming, I was doing so much of workout, and because of lockdown, everything is gone. Like, I have put on weight, and I actually, it when I get up and when I see my face, that time I exercise. But it's once in a while. But then I feel okay, time hai, chalo, let me eat right now. After that, I can work out and I can lose weight again. And I'm getting mama ke haath ka khana, which I don't get so often. So I am eating a lot. I'm enjoying my quarantine. Hi Surya. Hi Divyanka. I'll definitely visit your page. So basically, in my family, my father, he's staying in Delhi, and right now he's in Patna with my grandmother. And my mom, my brother, they are in Mumbai with me itself. I guess people don't really maintain in quarantine. Like, I'm having lot of sweets, lot of food. My mom is making every day one or the other sweet dish or dessert. We watch movies, there is nothing else. We watch movies, we play housey, we play Ludo. We talk a lot. Me and my mom, like, we can talk overnight. What are you missing? I miss going out. Basic things, stepping out of my home, just going for a walk or going for a movie, going to a restaurant, just stepping out of my home. Like, it has been a month and I haven't stepped out of my place. I need that fresh air. And obviously, I don't get to meet people. I'm missing all my friends. So many events were there and they all have been, delayed. So many songs came of my friends. So many events were there, but all the events they got delayed because of that. PUBG, I don't play PUBG, but yeah, my younger brother, like he plays PUBG a lot. And yeah, Divyanka, that is very serious issue. And actually, crime these days are getting huge. Hello from Dubai. Hi. Not yet. Obviously, her party will be, pending. We'll party later on once this lockdown gets over. I can't even go to her place and wish her. But definitely, I'll call her at night and I'll talk to her. I'm thinking of making a video for her. Let's see. Definitely, we are missing a party. Even last time she wasn't there. Like, as far as I know, Ashnoor, she doesn't like to party in public on her birthday. Last year also she went, to an isolated place with her parents. She liked time to spend with her parents. So I guess she'll be happy tomorrow because she'll be spending her time with her parents, which is of most important. TikTok, basically I was not active on TikTok earlier, but nowadays as I got interest into it, so nowadays I'm, getting more and more active on TikTok these days. I'm making some videos these days. But yeah, sooner and sooner you'll get to see more and more videos on TikTok. I'm actually learning it. I don't know most of it. My younger brother, like, he teaches me, like, you have to do this, you have to do this. So yeah, you'll get more and more videos. I have to still learn transition videos in that. Hi Prashant. TikTok star? No, I'm not even a TikTok. Like, I am into acting. I'm totally into acting. TikTok is very new to me. Like, am I getting into TikTok? Whose TikTok videos I like the most? There are many. I like Arishfa's videos. Like, if you know, today she crossed 1 billion likes. Like, in India, she's the first girl to cross 1 billion likes. And then I like, there are many videos. I like Team Tigrara's video. I like Samiksha's videos. Then I follow Awe's videos. Like, whosoever they make contents, they are doing great work on TikTok. They have such talent. Hello, Sanjay uncle. Thank you so much. So basically, we're having a live session with Telly Chakkar, and you can ask whatever you want. You can, share what you guys are doing in your quarantine time. I know everyone wants to just go out of their places right now. No one knew that this would happen. Like everyone, they used to be like Sunday, Sunday. Now every day is Sunday. Enjoy at your places now. After this, I don't think anyone will wish that every day should be Sunday. So basically, it was very massive, like it was very, sudden. Uh, so Joy sir, my director, like who casted me, who, actually trusted me that I could do that, he was looking for such a character, like very simple and, shy, sweet looking girl. So when we met, like he just asked me that, would you like to do this? Then we did some workshops, and he thought that I am actually going for that role. And then we did more workshops, and then yeah, then we shot that movie. And then each and every day he used to teach me that actually he was my mentor more than a director. Because of him I could do that movie, because it was my debut movie. It was a great experience. Like we shot, I told you that it's based on depression and whatever people are going through in their daily life, whatever stress. So we shot in a pandal which was actually Durga माँ का पंडाल, जो रियल था बिल्कुल. हम लोगों ने सब कुछ रियल रखा था, and it was very nice. People there were too great. Everyone on set, they were very, very cooperative, very helping. Yeah, exactly. 4 शनिवार होने चाहिए. But after, lockdown, no one will, want that. First films, I have learned that if you're working on something, you need to work very hard. Whatever it is, and you just need to put yourself into it. Whatever you want to do it, you should do it right now, at that time. It takes lot of hard work. Like it was my first movie, so for me it was very new. Everything on the set was very new. We used to shoot entire night, and sometimes for like 13 14 hours non-stop. And yeah, I also learned that when I was not into this industry, I used to get very harsh reviews that people there are not nice. But trust me, they are very nice, they are very helpful. Whenever whatever you need, they'll be there for you. My co-actor was very very nice to me, like he was very helpful. Hi Anirudh. Thanks Kapil. So my movie, it is not out yet, because it was made for film festivals. So right now that is lined up for different film festivals. As I told, it has been nominated in Dada Saib Phalke, then Panjim Film Festival, then Bhutan, then different film festivals. After once we are done with it, we'll definitely keep updated and we'll post it. You won't believe, even I haven't seen my movie yet. But yeah, I can share my link of the trailer. You guys can go on YouTube and you can definitely see the trailer of the film. Thanks a lot, Anirudh. I had so many projects, lined up in April and May, so many songs. But due to this lockdown, everything is getting just postponed. I actually love web series. I would definitely do web series, because I feel is future only web series is will be there, and people, they are going after web series. This is era of web series. Like beat any age, be it a teenager, be it adult, be it old age, everyone is watching web series. That is very handy also, because these days everyone is having their cell phones and they just watch it. Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, be it any app. I'll definitely do web series if I get such projects. I am not open for TV soaps right now, but definitely I'll do web series if I get such projects. So yesterday only I was watching Never Have I Ever, which was very nice on Netflix. You must watch it. But if you ask about Amazon Prime, then my favorite is Four More Shots. I guess every girl should watch that. That is exactly friendship goals. I'm not much into web series, but when I watch it, I watch it. I've been hearing a lot about Money Heist. I'm starting it today. I'm sure then it will be my favorite because everyone is talking about Money Heist. Definitely, I'll watch it. I hope it's not horror or something. Yeah, I'm active on Insta. In fact, I'm more active on Insta than Facebook. Oh, then it should be interesting if it's about time travel. I like such stories. Which new hobby? I like singing. Like I used to sing a lot, but then some time back I actually gave up singing because I didn't get time for it. But right now in quarantine, I get time to sing, and that that actually please me. I'll post a link on my wall. You guys can go and check, or you can just you can just type on Instagram in search bar Srishti Munka. You'll get my page. So my brother is on live with us, Tirth Munka. Hi honey, so I'm reading your message now. I'm so sorry, I just missed your message. Yeah, definitely I can sing a song for you people. Suggest if any songs you want. If I know that song, I'll definitely sing that song. Or should I sing it from my choice? Let me sing from my choice only, I guess. That would be better. बहारों में मिलेंगे, घटाओं में मिलेंगे, तू बरखा मेरी, मैं तेरा पागल पिया, जो तेरे ना हुए तो किसी के ना रहेंगे, दीवानी तू मेरी, मैं तेरा पागल पिया. I'm so sorry, Riddhi, I don't know this song, but yeah, I sang a song which I knew. So someone requested for a old song. I can sing a old song. तुझसे नाराज नहीं, जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान हूँ मैं, तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ मैं, हो परेशान हूँ मैं. This much I knew. Thanks a lot, Riddhi. I am not much into dancing. I was actually learning dance. Definitely you'll see a dancing video, then you can only tell how good dancer I am. Insta ID is Shrishti Munka. So from which place you all are, like which city, which country? I don't really know. I should know that from which place I'm getting all these messages. It's SHRISHTIMUNKA. So definitely you'll get a link. You'll see this live video in Telechakkar. You'll see my name. That time you can search. That would be more easy for you people. Government is doing a lot. Oh, they're actually helping a lot. Because of them, this wouldn't have that easy. In fact, in India, सबसे ज़्यादा अभी control हुआ है and they're doing their best. Beat any part of them, beat our police force, they are working so hard. Day and night, they are doing great job. Mumbai Mira Road. My nani, she stays in Mira Road, and you know I'm dying to go Mira Road. Like my entire nani ka family stays there, and I haven't met them since a month, and I'm missing them. I want to meet everyone. I'm from Delhi. Hi. So basically, I went Delhi 4 years back, and I love Delhi ka chola kulche. I did my schooling from Chandigarh, so I was in North for like 8 years. So Delhi was, that Delhi I used to visit a lot, but since 4 years I haven't been there. Delhi Chaska is great, guys. You should go and follow them on every possible platform, on Instagram, on YouTube, Facebook. You're already connected. You'll be watching this video on YouTube also, in case if you want to look for my ID. Yeah, Chandigarh is very nice. Most, cleanest place I have ever seen in India. People there are also very nice, very helpful, they're always ready to help you. Right now I'm staying in Mumbai only. Yeah, so they'll be tagging my links on their page. You can, directly go there and you can see it. I haven't been to MP, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I haven't been there. I stay in Andheri, and most of the cases they're going from Andheri. So people, be safe, stay at your home, don't go out, because as you know, in Mumbai, more and more people are getting affected. Now it's 11,000 something, which is very scary. So just stay at your home, take precautions, don't go out until unless you don't need anything very urgently, like your groceries. That you just send one person out of your place. So just stay at your home, don't go out. Hi Sakshi Di. How are you, Sakshi Di? Hello Chachu. So guys, my Chachu, my Didi all are online. Riddhi, I'm waiting for your next question. Yeah, how is your quarantine going? I have completed my studies. So any other song you would like to, Here I can sing more because as I told you, I have developed a recent hobby of singing. I think quarantine is giving you ample of time to discover yourself also, like what you're good at. People, they have never cooked, they have started cooking. People, they have never painted, they have started painting. I see different stories of different talents of different people. Are you missing Marine Drive? Yeah, I miss going Marine Drive because I guess before lockdown also, since I guess since Feb I haven't been there. And for me and my family, so like every weekend we used to go and we used to sit on Marine Drive and we used to chill there. Then we used to go and we used to have coffee. But since very long we haven't been there. I guess most of the people of Mumbai, they miss going Marine Drive. What peace you get there, you don't get anywhere else. I actually don't remember the song exactly, but yeah, I can try it. मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई. आई गेस मैंने सही गाया. So, do you like miss going out, or you're loving your quarantine? Earlier, I used to wish, that I get time to sleep. But these days, I don't get sleep because I'm done of sleeping. Like, I just pray God, like, give me some sleep. I want to sleep. Thanks a lot. I haven't, I've just posted one or the two videos of singing on my Instagram. Otherwise, it's very new to me. Yeah, bahar ka khana. Ask me. Like day before, day before yesterday, we were trying to make puris because we didn't get ready-made puris. We had to eat pani puri, and it took us 2 hours just to make that puri. So yeah, I also made bahar ka khana. Beat anything. But I'm also enjoying ghar ka khana. As I said, my mom is cooking these days, and I love unke haath ka khana, which I don't, often used to get because she's working. She come late at night, and then I don't really get it. Rabata, I don't really remember exactly. My mom is missing momos a lot because she loves momos. Guys, this is very surprising. I don't like momos. Like, each and every one person in my family, they love momo. I'm not into momos. I like samosas, I like pav bhaji. Not a college friend, but yeah, my school friends. Like, I was in a boarding school, so they are in touch with me. 3 a.m. is my mom's time because we watch movie. Like, otherwise we're playing Ludo or we are watching some movie. Any other song I can sing. I genuinely don't remember this song. I love this song, but I don't remember lyrics of this song. I have been to Manali like 5 to 6 times. I haven't been to Nainital. My mom, she has been to Nainital. Manali was it was like a vacation place for me when I used to study in my school days. They used to take us for trips. And you won't believe me, like every year they used to take us like to Manali. Either they used to take us to Shimla or Manali. I love traveling mountains, but I have height phobia. Like, when we used to travel through bus, I used to sit on the other side of the bus so that I don't get to see that, depth of it. Otherwise, I love hill stations. I can sing Teri Galiya, that I know. यही डूबे दिन मेरे सवेरे, यही मरना और जीना, यही मंदिर और मदीना, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां, मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां, यूं ही तड़पावे गलियां तेरी गलियां. Yeah, actually I've heard it from my mom and dad. They have been to Nainital and I have heard a lot about Nainital. Definitely visit there. Camping memory, yeah, I have in Manali itself. So basically there was a troop of people called Willow the Wisp. We went with them and they were very good. Like, we enjoyed a lot. So as I said, people, I'm not that active on Facebook. This is like my first live video on Facebook. If you go on Instagram, you'll definitely get a lot of streaming people there. But when it comes to Facebook for Telecheska people, they are doing great job on Facebook. You should definitely follow on each and every platforms possible. Be it YouTube, be it, they had that coverage thing on my birthday also and I loved it. Even Riddhi is very sweet. Aditya ji is very nice. No, actually it didn't. But yeah, when it comes to my hostel, we had a lot of horror stories in my hostel. Like, my hostel was based on highway, so there were a lot of accidents happened on highways. So yeah, when it comes to horror stories, my hostel is famous for that. Camps mein they used to actually, they used to scare us, but then there were a lot of people at one place, so it was not that scary. My favorite actor is Shahid Kapoor and my favorite actress is, I like Shraddha Kapoor. I've been, liking Shahid since his first film. You'll get my Insta ID after we post that video on Telecheska's page. See, I've been to Manali. I haven't been to Rohtang Pass because whenever I used to go there, there used to be a lot of snow, and as you know, when there is a lot of snowfall, they close that area. So yeah, I haven't been to Rohtang Pass, but I've been to the basic main Manali. Like, I have been to the Hill Point and then I've been to the Mall Road. So guys, I think we should, I should say goodbye to you people. And I would just, I would like to say that stay at your places, don't go out, because this thing is getting major and major. And just we can, if we keep ourselves in calm and we just follow what have been telling to us, then we can actually make this corona go far away from us. Okay, bye guys, take care, stay home, stay safe. See ya.